Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do a comparison of two true wireless earphones below the 5000 price segment. We have the Realme Buds Air priced at 3999 and we have the new Oppo Enco W31 priced 3999. So both the devices are priced 4K, and which of them is the best pick if you're looking for a true wireless earphone? That's what we are going to talk about in this comparison. So we'll be talking about all the aspects: the design, the fit, the build quality, the comfort aspect, additional features being offered, the bass performance, the latency while gaming, and then also the overall sound quality, battery life, additional features offered. So all those things we'll be comparing in this video. So let's get started with the comparison. So these are the box packages, and both are priced at 3999. And if you look at the features being offered, both of them have good features. There is a dedicated bass mode on the Oppo Enco W31, while we have large dynamic drivers on the Realme Buds Air, and you also get wireless charging on the Buds Air, and we get IP54 water and dust resistance on the Enco 31. Now both of them have wear detection, so we'll talk more on that. So let's get started with the design and build quality. So these are the two earphones. You can see that both the cases looks pretty compact. They are well built earphones. Now in terms of design, you can see that the box package design looks better on the Oppo Enco. It's kind of slightly slimmer, and it's kind of different design. On the other hand, the Realme Buds Air design is kind of Apple inspired. It's more like a rip-off from the Apple AirPods. And if you open the case again, you can see that the earphones are also a rip-off from the Apple's design. So they look exactly the same like Apple's design. Now if you take the Oppo Enco W31, so here you can see that the design is something quite refreshing. To be more precise, you can see that it looks really good. Even the design wise also, you can see something different being offered here when compared to the typical Apple like design on the Realme Buds Air. So in terms of design aspect, our pick would be definitely the Oppo Enco W31. It feels definitely refreshing from this traditional kind of. It definitely feels refreshing from the same old look and feel what Apple offers. That's quite similar on the Realme Buds Air. So our choice in terms of design is the Oppo Enco W31. Now next is the build quality. So here again you can see that this is made of completely plastic material, but again the build quality looks really solid, and they're lightweight, and you can also see the charging mechanism at the bottom. So they're quite good in terms of the build quality, no issues here. Now if you look at the build quality on the Oppo Enco W31, here again you can see that they're made of plastic material, but the finishing looks slightly premium. You can see that there is a brushed finish towards the top portion. Then here also you can see that kind of different finishing. It definitely feels a bit more premium than the Realme Buds Air. So in terms of build quality, our pick would be the Oppo Enco W31. You can also see the charging ports here on the Oppo Enco W31. Both have dual microphones, and both have the wear detection as well. So again, build quality wise, we felt the Oppo Enco W31 is our choice. Next is the most important aspect, the comfort level. So if you're a person who uses these earphones for a quite long time, so comfort matters a lot. So here you can see that we have used these earphones for quite some time, and comfort levels are pretty good on both the earphones. We did not see any sort of pain happening even for prolonged usage. But one thing what we noticed is that the Realme Buds Air gets fallen off, especially when you are when you do a bit of jogging or running, especially when workout. But Oppo Enco W31 is more fitting to in the ears, so that the option to fall while exercising is lesser on the Oppo Enco W31 compared to the Realme Buds Air. So if you are a person who uses earphones for workouts, the more fitting would be Oppo Enco W31, and comfort levels are also really good. So here again we would be slightly inclined to choose the Oppo Enco W31 in terms of the overall comfort aspect, especially if you are a person who works out. So the Realme Buds Air is also really good, but then our pick would be the Oppo Enco W31. Now next is the features being offered. So the Oppo Enco W31 has IP54 water and dust resistance capabilities, while the Realme Buds Air does not have that. In our previous video we actually mentioned that it has IP54 rating, but then it's not the case. Realme Buds Air does not have that rating. Now additional function for the Realme Buds Air is that there is wireless charging on the case. So this case supports wireless charging. So if you already have a wireless charger, that is pretty good because you get wireless charging on this. You don't have to search for cables, so that is available. But again, if you don't have a wireless charger, you have to invest in additional wireless charger because the box does not come with a wireless charger. Now both of them are having the USB Type-C port here, and you can see that both supports USB Type-C port. So both are again quite similar in that aspect. The Bluetooth range is again 10 meters, and both of them have Bluetooth 5.0. So nothing much different here. Now talking about the drivers, we have the 12mm dynamic driver on the Realme Buds Air with importance to bass. Now we have a 7mm driver on the Oppo Enco W31. Now both of them uses the AAC codec, so again nothing much different here. Now next is the latency while gaming. So if you're a person who plays PUBG a lot and you want to try these earphones for PUBG Mobile, in that case we feel the latency is better on the Realme Buds Air, especially for PUBG Mobile. The Oppo Enco also W31 also has decent latency mode, but then overall in terms of gaming experience, the Realme Buds Air was slightly better. So if you are a gamer, Realme Buds Air would be the better choice. Now call quality on both of them are equally good because both of them have dual microphones on the top and the bottom. So dual microphones means there is a bit of noise cancellation also when receiving calls. So again in terms of the call quality, both of them offer really good call quality. Now bass performance. So a lot of you have been asking us how good is the bass performance on these. So both are equipped with really good bass performance. We have the large 12mm dynamic driver on the Realme Buds Air, producing some really good bass performance. Now the Oppo Enco W31 also has really good bass performance. Now there is a dedicated bass mode available. So if you just double tap the left earbuds, you get the bass mode. That's kind of equalizer. There is also balanced mode, which gives you more of a balanced sound. Now if you go for the bass mode, there is really good bass. So bass is something which is a strong point for both these earphones. So it's hard to decide which is better in terms of bass because both of them offer really good and punchy bass performance. Now talking about the overall sound quality, the mids and highs, that's where the Oppo Enco W31 takes the lead with better overall mids and highs. While the bass performance was pretty good on the Realme Buds Air, the mids and highs were not really great, and this is one area where the Oppo Enco W31 takes the lead. Overall in terms of sound quality, Oppo W31 is our pick. Now charging and battery performance. So both of them have a decent battery life. Both can get you around 3 to 3.5 hours on a single charge, and you can get additional battery with the charging case. So in terms of battery performance, both can get you a pretty good battery life, like 14 to 15 hours using the charging case as well. Again, Oppo Enco W31 has a slight advantage in terms of the single charge battery life. It gets you around slightly above 3 hours, while the Realme Buds Air was slightly lower than 3 hours. So again, Oppo has an advantage, slight advantage in terms of the battery. So we have covered all the aspects. So which one should you buy? Now if you are a gamer, then go for the Realme Buds Air. But if you are not a gamer and if you want a really good sound quality and overall great performance, our pick would be the Oppo Enco W31, which has more of a balanced performance, good bass, good sound quality. Then you get IP54 rating. There is wireless charging on the Realme Buds Air, but then wireless charging you need to invest on an additional wireless charger too. So looking at all the aspects, including the design, build quality, comfort factor, the sound quality, the battery, everything included, we would suggest you to go with the Oppo Enco W31. So that is the detailed comparison of the Oppo Enco W31 with the Realme Buds Air. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.